Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change icon color in Adobe Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Adobe Photoshop document. In this video I will show change icon color in Photoshop document. Firstly now you can see, then going to the file menu option, then click. Now select from open option. Now you can see, then select from find your icon. Now select from icon. Now click for open option. Now for open the icon. Now you can see, then open the layer. Now keyboard press from F7. Now you can see change the icon color. Now keyboard press from control and click from layer. Now you can see, now going to the color picker option. Now select from any color. Now click for OK. Now keyboard press from Alt backspace. That it's. Now you can see since icon color in Adobe Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.